I'm right here chilling, my family. Next, they share stories of related concepts. Usually when beginners come out, they're very nervous. I say hi to your mom. I say hi to your dad. I introduce myself. Then I get you in the car. I adjust the seat for you. I show you how to pivot your right foot between the gas and brake. Hey, I'm at 4,000. Let's keep it going. Let's keep this thing going. I have 13 minutes. 13 minutes. Let's keep rocking this thing. Thank you, She Ready, for taking the lead approach, guiding our community, showing up. And part of the content creator's job is to show up, to show people, hey, do you have new videos? Yes. Look at the title. The title, if the title's lane control, how to keep your car straight. If the title's parking, how to stall park, how to angle park. If the title is merging on Expressway, it's merging on Expressway. Real talk, okay? Real talk. Also, let's look at their fun teacher. My daughter picked my name. She said, Dad, you're a funny guy. And I'm like, yeah, I know. We picked the funny guy 1. The funny guy 1 was filled up. We picked the funny guy 2, gone, taken off. Helped so many people, over 10,000 people I've helped in this journey. And it's truly a blessing. Hey, thank you, She Ready, right? She Ready's the #1 out here. Can someone level up to She Ready? Can we click some hearts? Can we click some likes? Yeah, I am funny. I do try to laugh all the time as much as I can. You have to find humor in teaching, humor in helping people, right? All the time. Okay, let's keep going. A good instructor on the road is very calm, right? You got to be happy in life. Find the humor in life because life is very short. We want to make it as beautiful and as tranquil as possible. I have a very good driver right now. His name is Caleb. He's so chill. He is so relaxed. He is on his 3rd drive, really smooth, great speed control, comfortable. I need all of you to experience Caleb's driving ability because when you have that good instructor, you're gonna grow, okay? You're gonna grow, boop, 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 boop. You're gonna grow. Next, good instructors give you advice on how to improve your driving skills. Sometimes I feel like a life coach too, right? Because I'm always talking about positivity, doing good in school, helping your community. And this is what this platform is about, helping. I failed because I merged on the expressway going 70 and a short ramp. I missed a truck. Any advice? You've got to look before you go down the ramp. You want to come out about 35 to 40 and the ramp will be like a slingshot. If you're going out too fast and don't have control, you're gonna fail. So my advice, practice. You're gonna go to a different location. You gotta give me more narrative to the message. Was it in the morning? Was it in the afternoon? Was it in the, baby, we're about to hit 5K. Doop, doop, doop. Let's hit 5K and celebrate, right? Let's hit 5K and celebrate when it was busy. So you should not have to go 70 and just ram your car in. You gotta go out real easy. It should be like a smooth blending. Love you guys. I love you guys. Let's keep it going. I have 10 minutes. Let's see how we can go in 10 minutes, okay? She Ready? When this is over, you just send me a message. Look at the stand store. I can send it to you. That's all you gotta know. I'm tired of tapping right now. Can someone take over She Ready? Can someone else tap? Can someone else tap? Please? What speed should you be? 35 to 45. What's up? No, I won't be doing summer school. I'm stacking up, helping adults learn how to drive, but thank you for thinking of me. How about you tack over that tapping, tap that like, tap that heart, right? So I will be driving, teaching people how to drive. That's what I'm passionate about. You're here because you want to learn how to drive. And I got a funny sense of humor too. What's up, Cliff? How you doing? Got to give positive reinforcement. You need positive reinforcement all the time. We all do, right? We all need positive reinforcement to know, am I doing okay? Yes. Next, always reminding you you're doing things constantly. Did you do your homework? Did you do the graph of the week on Monday? Okay, you don't need your laptop today. What country do you have? Do you have Canada? Do you have Latin America? So when it was busy, I should be entering your speed around 40 on the ramp. Yes, it depends on the ramp because going into that slow lane, this max speed in that slow lane is about 50 to 55 miles an hour. But going out 70, you were balling out, going a little too fast, right? We have 8 minutes. Ding, 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 ding. Let's keep it going. Good instructors always remind you to fix things constantly. I want you to get better. They're going to evaluate you. You're going to have a grading sheet. And then that grading sheet, they're going to tell you what you're doing right. They're going to tell you what you're doing. So you want to improve all the time. And when you improve all the time, you're going to get better, okay? Let's keep it up. Next, good instructors allow you to fix your mistakes and figure out what you did wrong. So you're telling me you came out at 70? Too fast, out of control. Anywhere from 45 to about 55 miles an hour, that's a safe, comfortable speed. Next, in the classroom, they interact with students. They leave you alone. They let you have time to make and correct your mistakes. They help you figure out what things to fix. They use their hands to show you. Good instructors are real people. I'm a real person, you feel me? I have 7 minutes. Can we get to 5,100? Okay, can I get 3 stars? Can a brother get 1 star? Join that has a sense of gift for a while. Hey, I need you to send a gift. Click that like. Okay, what's up, Junior? Let's keep going. Next, let's talk about merging, maintaining speed. You want to look back as you back up. Yes, my examiner was kind of weird. He was on his phone multiple times. Examiners are very busy. I'm not gonna cap on the examiner, bruh. But what I will say is, give the examiner a moment. Examiners are trying to schedule, maybe corporate called, so pause for a sec. They're still watching, even if they're on the phone. So we're all human. So get them a moment, keep driving. They're watching you, they're watching you. I passed my driver's test about 6 months ago because of you. Thank you, happy Father's Day, thank you. Hey, give us a like, give us a star. Help me reach my goal. I need 6 more little happy faces. I need 1 star. Please click those to show that this algorithm, hey, this content is really putting in good work, right? Thank you. Hey, E, thank you. Hey, She Ready, thank you. I really appreciate that. Let's keep it going. You got to be able to demonstrate how to merge on the expressway, how to make 3-point turnarounds. I got 5 minutes. Ding, 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 ding. 5 minutes. Ding, 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 ding. Thank you, She Ready. Thank you. I need someone else to be that leader. We need more gifts. We need more likes. We need more hearts. Amen. You should be following me. The way the algorithm is set up, you follow me, I automatically follow you. Because it's a true community, right? It's a true community. I love the conversation between She Ready and Kelsey. I love it because this is how we grow. This is how we develop. This is how we support each other. I don't know what lives you're used to, but I'm trying to bring energy in. I speak truth. I want to make each of you feel good and feel like you learned something. I have 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Let's keep going. You want to make sure you use both hands on the steering wheel. You got to know how to merge an expressway, how to do 3-point turnaround, how to go through a dual carriageway, how to reverse into a stall parking spot, right? How to merge from the left and the right. You got to know how to drive in rush hour traffic, drive in the morning, drive in the evening. I'm scared to go on the highways. Cars are zooming and it's hard to merge. It's difficult. First, pause. Next, get on that ramp, push the gas pedal, gradually pick up speed. It's called gradual exposure. I would never tell you anything wrong because I help people just like you every day. You got to support them. You got to teach them. If your instructor is not teaching you, then you are not learning. 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Thank you. Hey, thank you. I appreciate you. How are you? What's up, Ashley? Ashley, how old is your child now? Like 10, 7? How you doing, Ashley? Miss you, girl. What is going on? It's been a long time. 10 and 5. See, I knew. I remembered, Ashley. You're an awesome person. Awesome. I'm happy where I am. The best thing, Ashley, I can tell you, be happy. And if you're happy at your job and you're happy with the people around you, you got a good life, Ashley. But also, Ashley, have a plan B, have a plan C. So you never want to burn bridges. You always want to. So Ashley, you just have 2. Are you going to have any more? Or is the baby factory closed? Right? Because that's important. And you want to make sure, is any advice on how to merge on a highway? I'm feeling comfortable at the end. Okay, we get a lot of questions now. We got 2 minutes. So as you learn to merge, you'll get comfortable on the highway. They go really fast. And you want to take your time and have control of the vehicle. You want to gently accelerate. You want to, thank you for the follow, F. Ashley, do appreciate you. So nice hearing from you and seeing you. Hopefully everything is wonderful at corporate. Tell everyone I said hi. I miss all of you guys so much, right? It's gradual exposure, feeling comfortable, getting out on the road, believing in yourself. You really got to do your research. When you go to these driving schools, go in, talk to the owner, talk to the driving instructors, look around. Is the car clean? Is the office clean? We're passionate about helping people, right? So you have to learn to drive in the city. You have to learn to drive in the suburbs. You got to learn how to drive on the highway, the expressway, and the freeway, right? It's really important. I have 1 more minute. You need to put in your questions. You need to click that like, click that heart. It's really important. I'll be coming on more frequently, going over information to help you learn to become a better driver and really building community. I need you to follow She Ready. She's a very awesome person. Follow Ashley. Very awesome person. If I see good people and they're sharing and bringing positivity to the community, we will help. Ashley, we're going to send followers your way. She Ready, we're going to send followers your way.